part something. I think like 7, 8, I don't know, whatever. And for those of us that didn't feel like going to Beacon Field, where this girl out in the background keeps being like, I want to go to Beacon Field. Now you can understand why. It's easier to be here. One year I'll go down there. I've already been down there once for 5th of July, and it's like too crowded. Like practically no elbow room. So this is one of the reasons I like coming here and watching this. Some of these are just not coming out on camera. Oh well, sorry. I do try. Will you shut up about Beacon Field there, kid?